Good day, everybody. Welcome to All About Food and welcome back to my kitchen. So today's a very warm day here in South Africa. So it seems like the seasons is busy turning. So we're enjoying the nice warm weather here. Today I'm going to prepare a very nice, we call it a guava fridge tart. It's very easy. It's got only three ingredients, excluding now the biscuits. So what you need is one large tin of guava. You can see I puree it in a blender, very fine. To this you add one packet of jelly that I dissolved in 1 cup of water, warm water. So this is stir. And to this you add only one tin of condensed milk. And that's it. Very quick, very easy, especially if you know somebody's coming over for tea and you don't have anything nice. You can just quickly put this all together and you've got a nice fridge tart. Look how nice and pink it looks. Almost the same color as my bowl. So after it's mixed all together, you can just, I've got a dish here that I've put some tea biscuits inside. Then very gently you pour this over the tea biscuits. Like this, just spread it out nicely. And what I have is some tea biscuits that I've crushed up. You just sprinkle it on top, just to have a nice look. And this goes into the fridge for 2 hours and then you have a tart. There you go. Quick and easy and delicious. I will show you how it looks after it has set. Okay, so there you go. You will see it's nice and solid. Let's see how it looks inside. It really looks like it has set very nicely. Let's try to cut through the biscuit at the bottom. And there you go. Okay, so let's see how it tastes. It's nice and pink. And it's delicious. Please place a comment at the bottom and remember to like and subscribe, and please share. Enjoy, guys.